Tax season is right around the corner. Coming up after the break, we'll have some tax tips to help boost your tax refunds. Tax season is right around the corner. Brent Maxwell of IPS Realty is here to talk about Detroit property owners. And what's the situation with property tax appeals right now, Brent?
So we have a situation in the city of Detroit where we have an opportunity for homeowners to appeal their property tax assessments. And that's a window that happens once a year, and we're in that window right now.
How long is that window?
So it started this week, and it actually runs through this year, February 18th.
Now, it sounds like this is something a homeowner has to do actively, otherwise it'll just get rolled right over. Tell us about that.
That's right. So the city assessors appeal, or actually they set the property tax value on the properties, and homeowners have an opportunity to appeal that if they feel there's an error.
How many property owners make the mistake in the city not to actively do what needs to be done?
So the city of Detroit last did a citywide assessment 50 years ago. So what happened was property tax values in the city prior to the crash of 2008 worked to the homeowner's advantage, where the appeal or the property tax assessment value was less than the actual value of the properties. But since we've had a swing in values in the city, now a lot of people are paying way too much in their property taxes.
Wow, how much more, if you had to estimate?
It could be thousands a year. We had one client who had a $70,000 assessment, and we were able to chop it down to a $22,000 assessment. That's a $50,000 difference in the assessed value, which came to about $4,000 a year in tax savings for them.
If you're talking about the appeal process, lay out everything. What should a homeowner do?
Well, the first thing to do is to talk to someone who can help them get the process started. And what that means is we do a value assessment of the property and prepare a package to take down to the assessor's office for the appeal. Now, at that point in time, we have a great relationship with the assessors, and very often they will let us move forward and give us a reduction right then. But if they say no, then it has to go to court, and we handle that for them with our attorneys. And if the court says no, then it goes to the state tribunal.
Wow, how long of a process could this be?
So typically, if it goes to the state tribunal, that meets in the springtime, and the whole thing can be wrapped up by summer. Any
websites people can go to at home just to kind of get some bullet points of where to go to start off?
So our site, ipsrealty.com/tax, has information about how to get this process started.
Okay. Brent, thank you so much. Thanks for coming in. Good information. We will be right back.